I that Haruki Murakami book, The Wind Up Bird Chronicle. There's the the bird, the titular bird, the wind up bird is, if I remember correctly, they don't. It's not in. No one ever sees it in the book, but they like hear it, and it probably indicates something about the. But the sound it makes is like they. The translation, it describes it as like a clock being wound, or like a spring, someone winding its. And one time, uh, I was sitting on my stoop in the morning when years ago, and I heard a sound like there's someone winding a clock, and I looked around and there was a woodpecker on my neighbor's house on the roof, and he was pecking like a metal thing. And so maybe that's what Haruki Murakami meant.